Hello! Got another review today for you. Another Amazon UK review. This is a little electric drill, nail manicure drill. It's called on here. It's variable speed rotary detail carver. Multiple use. Variable speed. Yes, it's basically a little mini manicure drill. Just for sort of tidying up if you've got acrylic nails, want to do some sanding and things like that. I bought it because I wanted it for when I fix my nails, when I have some breaks. I've got little fiberglass, little patches on there, and they can be quite rough. So you've got to smooth them down with your nail file, really, just to, make them smooth. But I've bought this little kit, and this is the little plastic tray with all the little bits in. So I'll get them all out. Yeah, basically I wanted to, because I put little bits of fiberglass in the back of my nail. There's sometimes rough bits on there that I want to just sand away, and I can't get a normal nail file in there because it's far too big. So I put my little drill in there just to sand it away, and then I'll sand the front as well with this little kit. It's a very cheap kit, cheap and cheerful, as I say. £11. I think it's £11.99 on Amazon. So yeah, it's not a professional one by any means. I wouldn't expect people to use this in a salon. It just wouldn't last. I just wanted it for a few odd jobs. So yeah, here we go. What have we got? So yeah, this is the little manicure tool here. It's very small, and that's the little end that you put the little attachments in, and these are the little attachments in the little box, in the plastic box. So you've got there's some metal, all sorts of sizes in metal filers for fine sanding, and then you've got various grades of sandpaper all along there as well that you attached on the ends. So that's all good. So yeah, that's it. You got a little speed controller on there, turn it off and on, and then you've got the little hole there for your plug. So that's the little plug, a 3-pin plug on there. So that little end there, that attaches into the back of the little unit. So I've used this a few times and it works a treat. It's very quiet as well. It's not a noisy little drill at all. So yeah, there's a little plug there. The little plug, cable goes in the end there. Lovely, absolutely awesome little kit. Let's have a look on Amazon to see the reviews. This has only got one review, but it's 5 out of 5, so that's good. It's got a huge title on here. Electric nail drill kit, professional nail drill filing machine, adjustable speed, acrylic nail remover, electric manicure pedicure kit with 6 bits. Great for gel nails, exfoliating, polishing. Flipping heck. And the brand is Yang. I've never heard of them before. It's got some really good pictures and a tutorial how to use it. But it's very easy to use indeed. Very easy to use. It's £11.99 on Prime. So next day delivery, which is awesome. They're in stock. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. So I'm very, very pleased with it. I've used it a couple of times. I've used the little sanders just to do the front sanding, and I've used the little very fine metal attachments. Yeah, it's all good. Like I said, I wouldn't expect a salon to use it, but if you're using it every now and again, if you've got acrylic nails or gel nails, if you want to, people will make a little nail and then they'll file it and shape it. So that is ideal. Oh yeah, that is my review. That is the box that it comes in, and it's got a little, like I said, a little plastic tray, all the bits, and then you've got instructions. I think this is instructions. Oh yeah, got all the specifications on there, user guideline and safety, so brilliant. You go wrong. So that's, yeah, that review. See you all again soon for the next one. Bye bye.